Once again, we're back here at Montreux Country Club in anticipation of the 2010 Reno Tahoe Open. And for the kids, there is the K&PB Kids Party Zone. It's a family fun zone with a bounce house, Arthur the Big Red Dog, and computer stations, and a lot more. Come on up for the whole family, of course. And don't forget, Ladies' Day with Annika Sorenstam and Patty Sheen will be happening on Tuesday, Ladies' Day at the Reno Tahoe Open. And now, joining us, as he does on a regular occasion, and with a pretty timely topic, no less, Kurt Franke from the law offices of Kurt A. Franke. Kurt, welcome back to the show.
Thank you.
Okay, now, I live on a golf course, and a golf ball goes whizzing through my window. What happens? Can I sue the golfer?
Sounds like a law school exam for starters.
Okay.
But yeah, and I think generally, if you buy on a golf course, you're assumed to have accepted the risk of a ball going through your backyard. In fact, I think most are controlled by homeowners association, and they would probably have in their contract somewhere that you've assumed that risk by moving to that area, even if it's not contractual.
Right.
Case law is called common law, and I think under common law, you would also assume the risk because you knowingly moved into that area.
Okay, two questions to that. What happens if somebody gets mad and just lets their club go flying? What happens there?
Well, I think at that point, I don't know that you necessarily assume that risk. I mean, if, and I don't know if you're talking about me personally, but if you've seen me golf,
okay.
You know, I don't know that you personally assume somebody's intentional conduct like that. Whereas if it merely slipped out of the grip or something like that,
sure,
it's a negligent act, not necessarily one you assume.
Okay.
So there could be some liability at that point that extends beyond even the homeowner.
Okay.
But the homeowners association. But generally, I think that if you purchase on a golf course, and I'm playing, there's a good possibility there's a ball coming through the window.
Very good. If you want to get some more information, you want to set up an appointment, you're not sure if you've been wronged, and you want to have Kurt sit down with you, how do they set up an appointment, Kurt?
Well, you can call my number, my office, and Linda would be happy to set up an appointment with you at 827-6100, or you can visit my website, LOCAF, that's L-O-K-A-F, law offices, kurtafranke.com.
Okay. One little caveat to this. What if they build a golf course in your backyard of an existing home?
If they build one on your existing lot and you don't sign off at that point to allow for such a thing, then I think all rules are off, and literally you're going back to the common law. Did you assume that risk? And you probably didn't.
That's very good. All right. Thanks, Kurt. Good stuff.
Absolutely. Thank you, Greg.
Very topical for being up here in Montreux. The law offices of Kurt A. Franke bring us the legal side of real estate. Now we want to bring you up to the northwest part of town. If you're looking for a new home, then we recommend Grand Summit. Just a couple of these homes left. Great 1- and 2-story homes start in the 220s. The 220s for a beautiful home. Take a look at Grand Summit by Silver Wing Development. We'll be right back.